Be honest. How many times have you burned your fingers, spilled something, or wished you had a third hand in the kitchen? Yeah, same. But Amazon has gadgets so clever it feels like they were designed exactly for those moments. Today you're going to discover tools you didn't even know existed, and once you see them, cooking will never feel the same. Hit like, subscribe, and check the links in the description. Your future self in the kitchen will thank you. This bowl set is basically the kitchen's little army, organized, tough, and ready for anything. It includes 6 sizes, from 7 quarts down to 1, so you always have the perfect bowl for mixing, marinating, storing, or hiding food you do not want to share. The lids are airtight to prevent spills and keep leftovers from smelling like fridge. The 3.5 quart bowl even has an inner lid so you can add ingredients without making a mess. It comes with 3 grater attachments that snap onto the bowl, letting you slice, shred, or grate directly inside. No counter chaos. The silicone base keeps each bowl from sliding, even when you whisk like a chef fighting the clock. They nest for easy storage. The mirror-finished interior wipes clean quickly, and the bowls are dishwasher safe. Just wash the lids by hand so they do not warp. The stainless steel is thick, durable, and resistant to dents as long as you dry them properly. You can get the full set for $34.19. These titanium cutting boards are the quiet superheroes of the kitchen. Thin, lightweight, and nearly indestructible. The set includes 3 sizes so you can stay organized like a pro. One for fruits and veggies, one for raw foods, and one for cooked foods. No more flavor crossovers no one asked for. Titanium's non-porous surface resists stains, odors, warping, and handles heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Even better, it is 50% lighter than steel, yet 3 times more durable than wood or plastic boards. The smooth edges prevent accidental scrapes, and the micro-textured surface protects your knives and even reduces chopping noise. Cleaning is effortless. Rinse with water or pop them in the dishwasher. No oiling, soaking, or weird maintenance routines. They double as sleek serving trays for cheese or charcuterie, and their slim profile stores upright to save space. A refined gift for anyone who loves good tools. You can get the full set for $59.88. This little strainer is one of those gadgets you try once and wonder why it wasn't invented sooner. It clips onto any pot or pan and lets you drain pasta, veggies, or fruit without transferring everything to a sink or risking a steam burn. The silicone is flexible, sturdy, and grips the pot securely, even when it is full. Since it is collapsible, it takes almost no space and cleans in seconds. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone tired of bulky strainers that never fit anywhere. Simple, safe, and incredibly handy when hunger is urgent. You can get it for $7.77. This electric scrubber feels like having a tiny cleaning squad at home. It includes 8 different brush heads so you can tackle tubs, tiles, corners that mock you daily, floors, furniture, windows, and even your car if you're feeling ambitious. Each head has its specialty, making it hard to find an excuse for anything staying dirty. It charges via USB-C and shows the battery level, meaning no more tragic moments of the scrubber dying mid-shower cleaning. 3 hours of charging give you up to 90 minutes of power, enough to clean the whole house, or at least pretend you did. The adjustable handle stretches from 12 to 54 inches, saving your back and knees from awkward bending. It offers 2 speeds and is IPX7 waterproof, so you can rinse it under the faucet without worrying. Just don't fully submerge it. Built with high-quality materials and backed by a 2-year protection plan, it is a reliable tool for serious cleaning sessions. You can get it for $35.99. This ice tray looks ordinary until you press the green button and the cubes drop out like magic. No twisting, no wrestling with plastic, no smacking it on the counter like you're summoning ghosts. Just set the tray correctly, press the button, and boom, ice released effortlessly. Made from food-grade ABS and PP, it is safe for drinks or freezing small portions of food. Each cube is 0.78 inches, perfect for iced coffee, cocktails, or smoothies. After taking it out of the freezer, wait 1 minute before releasing. If cubes don't fall, press gently a couple more times. No need for brute force. Practical, tidy, and a fun little gadget to gift. You can get it for $16.99. This electric jar opener is the quiet hero for anyone tired of wrestling, stubborn lids. With a single button press, The adjustable jaws grip the jar while the high-torque motor handles the twisting. No hand strength, no wrist pain, no calling someone else to, "Please open this." Perfect for weak hands, arthritis, or anyone unwilling to battle a factory-sealed lid like a final boss. It fits most jar sizes and is compact enough to store anywhere. It opens new, tight, and tough lids without effort, though it is not suitable for plastic or oddly shaped jars. Just make sure to wipe the jar dry first so the grip stays secure. It makes a thoughtful gift for seniors, parents, or anyone who wants more independence in the kitchen. A simple gadget that eliminates one of the most annoying chores in everyday life. You can get it for $18.89. This dish rack brings order to the countertop chaos previously known as your drying area. Made of sturdy stainless steel and premium PP plastic, it resists rust, bending, and discoloration, even if your dishwashing routine is more survival mode than consistent. The thick steel tubes keep everything stable, no wobbling when you place a heavy plate. Its drainage system is the real star. The board funnels water straight into the sink, and the spout rotates 360 degrees so you can place it wherever it fits best. No more puddles sneaking onto the counter. The utensil holder and plate rack detach easily, making cleanup quick and painless. The raised fence keeps dishes from slipping off, saving your tableware from tragic endings. And despite holding plenty, it occupies surprisingly little space. Perfect for small kitchens or anyone needing maximum efficiency. Strong, tidy, and far more disciplined than most of us. You can get it for $17.99. This undersink organizer basically gives your cabinet a brain. The C-shaped frame avoids pipes, and the two pull-out trays let you reach everything without crawling inside the cabinet. With 5 height levels, it adjusts easily to tall bottles, cleaning products, or whatever has been living under there in chaos. The thick steel frame is sturdy and stable. None of that wobbly energy cheap organizers have. The bottom basket fits items up to 13 inches tall, and the top basket is wide enough to store plenty. It includes suction cups and nanotape to keep it firmly in place, even if you pull it hard. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or pantries. The sliding system truly frees up space and keeps everything visible. You can get the set for $40.81. This purifier turns a bowl of water into a mini cleaning station. Using titanium electrolysis, it creates powerful radicals that break down pesticides, dirt, and even metal residues. No chemicals, no flavor changes, just cleaner food. Drop it in the water, pick a mode, and let it work while you keep cooking. It includes 4 smart settings: blue light for fruits and veggies, green for grains, blue-green for meats, and dual flash for seafood. Each mode is designed to clean deeply according to the food type. The 3600 mAh battery gives over 120 minutes of use per charge, and the IPX7 waterproof body lets you rinse it fully under the tap. Safe, long-lasting, and great for anyone wanting cleaner meals without extra effort. You can get it for $45.99. This jar is perfect for anyone who loves pickles but hates fishing through a sea of brine. Its hourglass design separates liquid from food. Flip it to drain, flip it back to soak. Simple, clean, and drama-free. The borosilicate glass is thick, durable, and safe for dishwashers and refrigerators. The upgraded lid includes a silicone seal that locks in freshness and prevents leaks, while the non-slip silicone base keeps the jar steady, even during late-night olive raids. The detachable strainer and wide mouth make it easy to load olives, gherkins, jalapenos, or fruit without getting stuck. With a capacity of 34 ounces, it's a fun and practical gift for pickle lovers everywhere. You can get it for $17.29. This 2-liter electric cooker is the unofficial hero of dorm rooms, tiny apartments, and anyone tired of relying on takeout. It doesn't just boil, it sautés thanks to its food-grade non-stick coating. You can make ramen, fried rice, chicken, veggies, eggs, or a late-night stir-fry without ever touching a stove. It even includes a silicone spatula, so you can start cooking instantly. Cleanup is refreshingly easy. Nothing sticks, nothing burns, and a quick rinse gets it ready for the next meal. The coating also lets you cook with less oil and stays toxin-free even at high heat. It features overheating and boil-dry protection, so you don't have to babysit it. With 2 power settings, 250 and 600 watts, you choose whether to cook slow or fast. Compact, portable, and great for travel, dorms, or office lunches. It's a surprisingly thoughtful gift for anyone who wants real meals with minimal effort. You can get it for $29.59. This fry cutter is for anyone who wants restaurant-style fries without battling knives or flimsy slicers that struggle with carrots. It comes with 3 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, so you can choose between thin, thick, or State Fair Crunch fries. The 2.4-inch suction cups grip the countertop like they mean it. Place it down, press lightly, and it won't budge, even when you push a giant potato through. And the cutting space is 5.5 by 3.7 inches, big enough for whole potatoes. No pre-cutting required. Made entirely of stainless steel, it resists rust and rinses clean in seconds. Just remember, the blades are insanely sharp, so use the included brush unless you want an accidental thriller moment. Installation takes about a minute, and swapping blades only needs 2 screws. You can get it for $66.49. This hot air popcorn popper turns any craving into a quick, clean, and guilt-free snack. It works with nothing but hot air. No oil, no butter, no mystery ingredients. Just kernels and 2 minutes of your time. It produces up to 8 cups of light, crispy popcorn, healthier and cheaper than microwave bags. Perfect for movie nights, long study sessions, or those sudden midnight snack emergencies. The cover doubles as a serving bowl, so you don't need extra dishes. Snap the lid on, flip it over, and you're ready to snack. The built-in handle makes carrying it to the couch easy and spill-free. Its compact design includes a cord wrap, ideal for small kitchens or dorms. Because it pops without oil, cleaning takes seconds. Just a quick wipe. No greasy residue, no stuck-on bits, no lingering smells. It's fast, clean, healthy, and strangely satisfying if you love fresh popcorn. You can get it for $34.99. This smart egg cooker is made for anyone who wants a good breakfast without the morning chaos. It's compact, lightweight, and portable enough to fit in a backpack, making it perfect for home, dorms, RVs, or travel. With its digital timer and clear lid, you can watch your eggs cook and know exactly when they're soft, hard, or somewhere in between. No guessing required. It shuts off automatically and includes a buzzer alarm, saving you from overcooked eggs while you get ready or check your phone. Made from BPA-free materials and low on energy usage, it's safe, reliable, and cost-friendly. All accessories detach for fast rinsing, and the non-stick surface wipes clean in seconds. The modern design also makes it a great gift for students, travelers, or anyone who loves quick, perfectly cooked eggs. You can get it for $28.49. This gadget is made for everyone who remembers to thaw meat exactly when hunger strikes. The Thaw Claw speeds up defrosting up to 7 times faster using nothing more than cold water. With its strong suction cup, you stick it to the sink, clip the frozen package, and that's it. No floating bags, no slipping, and no microwave ruining the texture. It works with all kinds of meat: chicken, beef, pork, or fish. The design fits sinks of any size or shape, large, small, round, square. If it's a sink, the Thaw Claw will work. And there's zero setup, no batteries, no complicated parts. Just stick it on, attach the food, and let it quietly do the job while you cook or chill. It's compact, easy to store, and far more hygienic than letting packages drift around in water. A real lifesaver for busy kitchens, last-minute meals, or forgetful cooks. You can get it for $12.95. This mini sealer is the hero of half-open bags that end up stale, messy, or mysteriously empty. It has 2 sides. One cuts and the other seals, letting you open a snack and reseal it without hunting for scissors or clips. No preheating needed. Press the top, it heats instantly, and slide for a clean, airtight seal. It works on chip bags, cookie bags, candy bags, and more. Perfect for families or anyone tired of wasting food. Compact and portable, it includes a magnetic strip for the fridge and a lanyard for hanging. Great for home, travel, hiking, or camping. Comes with batteries included. You can get it for $16.99. This tiny griddle is the little gadget you end up using every day. It makes mini pancakes, eggs, cookies, grilled cheese, or quick snacks without dragging out pots and pans. Just plug it in, wait for the indicator light to switch off, and the non-stick plates cook everything evenly in minutes. It weighs just over a pound, making it perfect for dorms, small kitchens, offices, or RV trips. Great for fast breakfasts or late-night cravings. Its compact size makes it an adorable gift for students, newlyweds, or anyone who loves mini kitchen tools. It includes a recipe book, and all non-electric parts wipe clean easily. You can get it for $12.99. These electric grinders feel a little magical. Flip them upside down, and they start grinding on their own. No buttons, no effort. Perfect when one hand is busy cooking and the other is trying not to get burned. Great for daily cooking, grilling, parties, or when you want to look like a pro chef without actually trying. You can easily adjust the coarseness for fine, medium, or chunky seasoning. The ceramic grinding core helps preserve flavor and lasts longer than metal ones. This upgraded model also uses only 8 AAA batteries per set instead of 12, which your wallet will definitely appreciate. Every time you flip it, a blue LED light turns on so you can see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, even in low light. The large capacity design means fewer refills and more cooking. It includes a 1-year warranty and a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. You can get the set for $14.23. This electric citrus juicer makes squeezing fruit as easy as pressing down. It spins at a slow speed, so the juice never heats up, meaning the vitamins, enzymes, and fresh flavor stay intact. If you like starting your morning with a big glass, the 1.2-liter jug has plenty of room for family servings or brunch gatherings. The motor is powerful, the gearing is engineered for smooth operation, and the wide base keeps the unit steady with minimal noise. It even has a stainless steel trim and an LED indicator light that glows while it works, giving it a modern, polished look. You get 2 interchangeable cones, one small, one large, so you can juice lemons, oranges, limes, or grapefruit without switching machines. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and painless. Made with BPA-free, FDA-compliant materials, and backed by a 12-month warranty. You can get it for $23.99. This folding chef knife blends Japanese style with outdoor practicality. Its 440A stainless steel blade is hand-sharpened and measures 4.8 inches, perfect for slicing meat, veggies, and fruit like a campsite chef. Fold it down, and it becomes pocket-sized. Great for camping, BBQ trips, fishing, or even as a compact kitchen knife at home. The natural olive wood handle is hand-polished, grippy, and comfortable, with a beautiful texture. Lightweight, durable, and easy to control, it's ideal for outdoor cooking or small daily tasks. A compact, stylish tool that punches way above its size. You can get it for $12.5. The Megawise 2025 vacuum sealer brings 80 kilopascals of suction power to keep your food fresh up to 10 times longer. It works with dry, moist, wet, and cold modes, plus vac pulse to control suction for delicate or marinated foods. Seal mode closes snack bags fast, and the hose lets you vacuum jars and bottles. One touch of the vac or seal button, and it finishes the job in 10 to 20 seconds. The 12-inch sealing wire lets you seal several bags at once. It's compact, lightweight, and includes 10 starter bags and a built-in cutter. A solid tool to reduce food waste and extend freshness for only $33.99. The Manteca electric lunchbox brings a double-layer design with smart storage. The bottom stainless steel container holds 1.8 liters, while the upper PP tray has 2 divided compartments, plus a slot for utensils, letting you pack balanced meals without mixing flavors. The upgraded leak-proof lid locks on 4 sides and seals tightly with a rubber ring, so nothing spills even in a moving car. Made with food-grade materials, the shell stays cool to the touch, and the stainless steel inner tray is odor-free, durable, and easy to clean. This 4-in-1 heater includes adapters for home outlets and 12 or 24-volt car and truck ports, giving you hot meals anywhere. The 100-watt PTC system warms your food evenly and keeps moisture sealed in, reaching the ideal temperature in 20 to 30 minutes. A reliable portable warmer for busy work days or travel, priced at $19.99.